Oh, hello. Thank you for flashing. Thank you for flashing. Oh, you're so beautiful. Wow. Wow, you flash so bright. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you so much for that bright flash. Thank you for blessing us. You see that? I asked for flashing flyby and now there's one flashing, babe. That's right. I know, I'm sorry. You'll see it on the camera. Ooh, that's so beautiful. Thank you for flashing for Pia. She can't see it, but I'll show her later, I promise. Wow, your flashes are so beautiful. I love all the different colors you flash. Like, it's just so funny. I just asked for a flashing one, and you guys started flashing. You guys are too generous. How can I pay you guys back? Do you guys take credit card? Cash? Venmo? Do you guys take Venmo in space? Cash App? Visa? Is there an Orb credit card that I qualify for? 0% APR? Unlimited credit? The white card? Sorry, I can't tell. I'll switch over to it to look. Is it the white birdie? Keep lasering. I can't tell where it's at. Yeah, it's the white bird. Hello, white bird. Thank you. Thank you so much for blessing us. Thank you, lady. Thank you, Hathor. Thank you, Holy Spirit. We love you so much. Thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you for everything. Have a wonderful evening. Bless you, bless you, bless you. I love you, I love you, love you. Be safe. Thank you. Thank you for your positive energy and positive love.